Well, Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi just came out and said a lot of stuff. You do not want to miss this. It's about drivers, and he's actually claiming drivers are making $37 per hour, and he's saying this publicly, and he's also saying that there's a lot of new drivers on the platform. We're gonna dive into the details, so please thumbs up the video, my friends. Click that thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And firstly, I wanna thank our sponsor. So the sponsor of today's video is Solo, which is the business app for gig workers. They are really, really awesome. They have an awesome team, and they have this guaranteed pay feature, which is super popular. So if you go out and drive from 10 to 11 a.m., for example, you're gonna guarantee that you make $37, which is absolutely incredible. They have so many cool features. They're available for all of these gig apps. And yeah, guarantee your daily pay. Optimize their schedule using community-driven pay predictions that Solo guarantees. They're pay the difference. I mean, look at that. DoorDash, $38 in an hour. Uber, $37 in an hour. When you sign up with our link, my friends, they're gonna send you $15. And again, you can sign up for the free version and still get $15. Okay, listen to this. So there was an article that just came out. A flood of new drivers are joining Uber because everything is more expensive. Dara came out and said this: the most obvious effect of inflation seems to be getting more drivers on the platform. So he's basically saying that, there was an earnings call on Tuesday morning. CEO Dara Khosrowshahi estimated that more than 70% of drivers said inflation had played a part in their decisions to join the ride-hailing service, meaning a lot of new drivers are joining the platform because it's simply expensive to live. Home prices have gone up like crazy. Rent prices are still going up like crazy. It's absolutely insane. I'm looking at rental prices in Los Angeles. Golly gee willikers, you gotta live with 15 people in order to afford a 2-bedroom apartment. You got 7.5 people sleeping in each room. I don't know how you're gonna do the half one. I mean, maybe they gotta lay in one, they'll lay in one room or sleep in one room one night, sleep in the next room. I don't know, it's getting crazy out there. But listen to this. Khosrowshahi estimated that drivers can earn as much as $37 for every hour on the platform, while drivers who drive for both Uber and Uber Eats earn $30. To some extent, we could be seeing evidence where it's helping us in that it's very significant consideration based for drivers coming on to the system. He's basically saying, well, thank you, Joe Biden, for causing inflation and printing money, because now we got more drivers on the platform because so many more people are broke and they gotta get paid. So anyways, I wanted to make this quick video because I thought it was a little ironic, basically saying that people need money, so they're joining Uber, and it's also basically proving the fact that the longer you drive for Uber, the more likely you are to quit. But then you just got a whole flood of new drivers joining in on the platform. So anyways, that's the update. Check out Solo with the link down below. Earn $15 just for signing up with our link. We are a friend of Solo, as they say. The Rideshare Guy is as well. They're really cool. And again, like I said, they're gonna, you can take home $5,000 more a year on average, which is crazy. Sign up for free and get $15. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.